our chicken farm, and we're going to sow seeds in winter. We're in gardening zone 4B, and we're planting cauliflower. You can research fruits and veggies that's best for you. You need 1 gallon containers like this. Take the lid off and cut across the bottom like this. It will look like this when you're all done. Also put holes in the bottom. Fill up the bottom with moist soil. It should be wet enough to hold its shape. Plant your seeds in the soil. Then close at the top with duct tape, just like this.
Then place the sealed jugs outside. Keep the caps removed so that precipitation can get in. The winters are long in Vermont. We'll check back on the jugs in a few months when the snow has melted. No sprouts yet, but crocus appeared just a week later, along with the first cauliflower sprouts. The sprouts continued to grow in the jugs for another week until they were big enough to plant in the garden. And these sprouts are already cold hardy, so you can put them in the ground as soon as you can work the soil. So let's get these jugs opened up. If your seeds shifted in the jugs and ended up growing close together like ours did, be careful not to damage the roots when you separate the plants.
I'm almost done. I just need 2 more, guys.
Happy gardening!